In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Wispr Flow for free and use snippets to automate your typing. Let's jump right in. First, I'll navigate to the Snippets section on the left menu and click Add New to create a custom shortcut. I'm naming this snippet Job Post to keep it organized. In the expansion box, I'll paste my full text template and then click Add Snippet to save it. To ensure the voice commands work perfectly, I'll open my settings, select the Experimental tab, and toggle on Command Mode, the Press Enter command, and Bulk Import. Returning to my document, I'll trigger the voice assistant and simply say the snippet name, Job Post. As you can see, the entire template is instantly transcribed into the page for me, saving a massive amount of manual effort. Finally, I'll look up the free features using Google Search to see what else is included. The Perplexity AI results explain that the Flow Basic plan offers a generous 2,000-word weekly limit on desktop and includes auto cleanup for filler words like and It also provides multilingual support for over 100 languages and custom dictionary options, making it a highly capable tool for individuals looking to boost their productivity for free. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.